In this episode, we're going to write our first simple program in the Mnova Python Engine. We're going to assume you have some basic familiarity with programming concepts and Python in particular. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's open the integrated Python console. You can do this by navigating to the Tools menu and selecting Run Script under Python. Once the console is open, you'll see a prompt where you can enter your Python commands or select a Python script to be run. As a first step, let's print the version of Python that's currently in use. This is a simple command that helps you verify the environment you're working in. Type the following command into the console. Okay, now like any good programming course, our next step is going to be to write an Hello World example. It's a simple and great way to get started. But instead of the classic Hello World, let's say hello to our pet, Pulpo. This code will print Hello Pulpo to the console. Now, let's run our script to see the output. All working? Great. Congratulations on writing your first Mnova Python program. Next time, we'll begin to do some useful things with Python, kicking off with interacting with the file system.